guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. I'm so excited for this hairstyle today because today I'm gonna bring you guys a hairstyle that's definitely gonna save you some time and you guys gonna love it. The hair is from this company called Neatandsleek, and yes, I've worked with them before, and so this is my second time around. With the hair, I got these little gold hair jewelry, and I also got these little seashell thingy to put on your hair. So this is the hair, you guys. I cannot stress how much I'm happy to be reviewing a hair like this because I like Butterfly Locs, but I just don't want to do it in my hair because it takes too much time. The hair comes pre-bleached, so this is definitely gonna be saving me some time today. I put the wig on over the stocking cap that I'm already wearing, and I'm just gonna check it out to see what I need to do to it. So far it's looking good, even better than I expected, so I'm gonna go ahead and secure it onto my head. I'm clipping the sides back to get them out my way while I work on securing the lace down. Just so you guys know, the cornrow that you see on the front is gonna be the leave out that I use to cover the lace. I'm slitting the lace, but I'm not gonna cut it off just yet. I'm doing this so it will be easier to apply the Got2b glue free spray under the lace as opposed to on top of it. The reason why I don't want to spray it on top is because it has the cornrow there, and the last time I did it like that, spraying it on top of the cornrow, it was too much work getting that cornrow out, so I decided to spray it underneath this time. So here I am lifting it up so I could spray the free spray underneath the lace instead of on top of it. I dried the first layer since I'm doing it underneath, and then I went ahead and spray another layer and dried just a little bit before putting the lace down on it. Now that I have the lace down on it how I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and completely dry it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this side, and when I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Now that I have it nicely secure, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace off of it. As usual, this extra piece that's hanging over my ear, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Doing that took a whole braid out, but believe me, it's not noticeable. As you can see, I still have a braid right there next to my ear. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the rest of the lace off the wig. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this cornrow out so I can make some edges and make this wig look even more realistic. Before I put a little bit in the mouth so this way it will look somewhat natural. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut them down to my liking. To lay them down, I'm gonna use my foaming wrap lotion from BTL. And I'm just gonna slap it on there and brush these baby hair, back into the braids. You really don't have to do this in any special way, just do it however you like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down with my rapid styling strip and leave it to dry. And this, you guys, is the final result. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? This hair is so stunning. Honestly, I was not expecting this outcome, but I am so here for it. If you guys have always wanted to try butterfly locks like myself but can't find the time to do it, I highly recommend this wig right here. This wig is gonna do it for you. And this is the back. I mean, be honest guys, if y'all didn't see me put this wig on my head just now, would you even be able to tell it's a wig? Definitely check the description box for the hair info. I want to thank Neatandsleek for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. I really love this hair. I actually kept it on longer than I intended to and made a bunch of TikTok videos with it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.